This 2022 Keystone Bullet 250BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 7, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV antenna, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, slide-out, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Bullet 250BHS is 5,459 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.